What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? I have missed you guys so much. It's been so long. I think I even forgot how to vlog, but we're still gonna do it, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where I've been and yeah, what is gonna be happening to this car, because I think I'm gonna be selling it. I have missed you guys so much. It's been so long. Oh shoot, this Tesla just lost a tire. Oh crap, sorry. I shouldn't laugh, but it's fine. Okay, so I am back for real this time. I am so sorry that I've been away for so long. Oh my goodness, I feel so bad. But yeah, I've just been so busy, and it's pretty much been really, literally almost impossible to even vlog or do anything, because in case you guys didn't know, I'm a student, and I've been a student for the past 4 years now. But it is pretty much almost time to graduate. Yes, and I'm a double major in computer information systems. Yeah, you're fine. I'm a double major in computer information systems and film. And so for the film major, we are required by our university, because I go to a university in Kentucky. It's called Campbellsville University. For the film major, we're required to come out to LA for a semester to get an internship, take classes. It's kind of like a study abroad for like film majors. And so, pretty much I have been in LA pretty much studying, getting my internship. I did it at the Golden Visual Effects company. Ooh, Maybach. Nice. But the internship is finally over now, and I'm about to head to Kentucky to graduate. I'm gonna be leaving this car actually in LA, and then I also have my minivan back in Kentucky as well. And so, yeah, the traffic in LA is literally a disaster. The way things are, I might be thinking about selling the Golden 370Z. I might be selling it. I don't know yet, so do not quote me. But the reason why I'm selling this thing is pretty much, or why I'm thinking about selling it, not selling it, thinking about selling it, is because, ooh, Ferrari 488, what is happening here? I'm literally just walking through, just driving through neighborhoods, and oh my gosh, the Ferrari 488 is just chilling there. That is nice. Okay, I have my minivan, which is in Kentucky right now, and that van is just gathering dust. And I don't want to sell that van because I actually kind of want to turn it into a project van. So the way I'm seeing this, I have three options. The first option for me is to keep both my 370Z and my minivan. And that might not fly because it's just too expensive to keep two cars, especially since I'm gonna be moving to LA. It's gonna be almost impossible, and I'm not I don't have like unlimited sources of money where money is coming from. And so the second option is going to be either to sell the 370Z and use that money and pretty much make my van a monster. I want to turn that thing into a project van, whereas I swap out the engine with my minivan with like a Corvette engine, and just put like an LS3 in it and make it crazy, make it a rear-wheel drive amazing car. Maybe even put like a twin turbo or maybe a supercharger as well, and just make it like a drag monster, or just something that you can just go straight in line really fast with. And it's never been done before, and I think that'll be so much fun, not just to watch for you guys, but also for me as well, learning about the way the LS works and just working on the whole car myself and making it my build, because I don't want to take it to a shop where they'll LS swap and charge me through the roof. I want to do it myself, maybe with the help of one of you guys too as well. So that I might even turn that into like a build series where I invite you guys that know more about cars than I do, which probably everybody does. I've been wanting to do this thing for so long now, but first of all, I've not just had enough money to put together to do it, because it is a big project. I'm gonna have to get the engine, I'm gonna have to get mounts, I'm gonna have to get a lot of stuff, and I'll talk about this in a different video. But it's either gonna be to do that or still keep this car. And yeah, so the main problem with this car right now is that my insurance is just too high. I literally pay about $350 a month, and living in LA, it's a disaster. And why living in LA is a disaster for this car is because gas in Kentucky, I used to fill a tank for about $45-ish. Here it is over 60. I think I filled the tank the other day for about 60-something dollars, almost $70 in total, just to fill a tank. So the maintenance and everything, cost of maintaining this car and owning this car is just very high. And maybe if I sell this car, I might buy it back in the future, or buy a 370Z in the future. But for now, I'm just thinking. So tell me what you guys think. Then the third option is to keep the car and sell the minivan, which I do not know if that's going to I don't know. And for the Golden Drive right now, I have a lot more things planned. Like there's literally some things. There's a different style that I want to take this channel. And I love this car so much, but I fear that it might be the end of an era, because right now I'm still not sure what to do with the car without adding like a twin turbo to it. So just, if I'm gonna be keeping this car, if I'm gonna be taking the third option, you guys should let me know what you want to see from the 370Z. And if you guys want me to sell this car as well, just let me know what cars I should replace the 370Z with if I were to sell this car. So just let me know. That's pretty much it, guys. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this golden and very weird video. And I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.
Y a todos los valientes tienen corridos hasta muchas